So good. Look at this. What's up, guys? Your boy Mike. Another day, another vlog. Today I'm gonna show you my favorite place at night. Eating one of the best traditional food, Burmese traditional food. It's called Mohinga. Let's go. So I'm at the favorite place eating Mohinga, which is traditional Burmese food. They serve only at night, which is really good. So one of my favorite places in Yangon.
So this is our traditional fish soup with the noodle, flat noodle, egg, mohinga, yes, egg. This is like pork. Are you sure? Pork black cloth, I guess. And then some fish cake. And this is banana track, which I really like. This is my favorite kind of Burmese food ever. You can eat it for breakfast. Right now we eat it for dinner. Sometimes you can even eat it for lunch. Whatever you want. So yeah, this is it.
If you like what I'm vlogging, please hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell.